Massive, refrigerated beef trucks arriving at a gigantic industrial jerky factory before sunrise. The camera flies. Opening these doors releases a blast of freezing air, crucial for maintaining the quality of the beef stored inside.
All right, Andrew, bring that pallet in right here.
Yeah.
Setting the frozen beef down now. Stand clear.
Close-up cinematic glide across giant fresh beef cuts hanging inside a freezing industrial receiving hall. Cinematic realism, ultra-detailed meat textures. Massive factory loading docks operating non-stop, with endless beef deliveries arriving through giant industrial gates. As the warning lights flash, the giant processing hall begins to activate, bringing the roaring conveyor systems and heavy machinery online simultaneously. Core temperature reading is holding steady at 3 degrees Celsius.
Good. Log that and check the marbling score on Lot 4.
High-tech temperature scanners moving across fresh beef surfaces. Digital temperature readings flash across giant monitor screens.
Utilizing hyperspectral imaging, the system analyzes cellular structure in real time. It's a level of precision previously thought impossible in this environment. This level of marbling is rarely seen outside of Japan. The intricate webbing of the fat is a direct result of meticulous care and genetics.
The freshly inspected beef travels quickly along the conveyors, heading deep into the cryogenic freezing corridors of the facility. Massive steel freezer doors opening toward gigantic frozen meat storage halls filled with endless beef rows. Endless frozen beef storage halls stretching deep inside the industrial factory beneath glowing cold warehouse lights. Transporting thousands of tons of frozen product requires precision machinery and unwavering focus. Inside this vast cold storage, tons of prime beef hang suspended in time, preserved by the deep freeze. Massive industrial refrigeration systems operating above giant frozen meat storage halls. Freezing air blasts through the warehouse with cinematic industrial energy. The massive logistics operation relies on accurate inventory management, ensuring every shipment of frozen beef is accounted for. Huge conveyor gates opening toward the industrial washing department, while frozen beef continues moving deeper into the factory. The sheer power of these systems ensures every surface is sterilized, blasting away contaminants with pressurized water. Rotating sanitization machines cleaning fresh beef beneath glowing factory lights inside a steam-filled industrial chamber. Massive industrial washing tunnels filled with heavy steam and glowing blue lights processing endless rows of beef. Cinematic realism. Bright white inspection lights reflecting across freshly sanitized beef surfaces inside the giant factory chamber. Endless rows of sanitized beef move toward giant precision halls. The camera follows the conveyor system. Massive industrial cutting machines activating inside a giant beef processing hall beneath flashing red warning lights.
Automated systems ensure precision as the freshly sliced beef navigates the endless conveyor lines, a non-stop process driven by dramatic efficiency.
Relentless and precise, these machines are the backbone of modern manufacturing, slicing through raw materials day and night.
Workers monitoring giant automated cutting systems through glowing digital control panels inside the futuristic factory hall. Cinematic realism, blue monitor reflections.
Here in the cutting department, precision and speed define the process. The freshest cuts are rapidly distributed along the line.
The perfectly sliced beef strips travel through the metallic corridors towards the trimming department. In the distance, the giant trimming machines of...
This isn't just butchery, it's craftsmanship on an industrial scale. They remove the excess fat with surgical precision. Automated trimming machines cutting away excess fat with laser-guided precision inside a futuristic food processing hall. Perfection is measured in millimeters. The blade respects the marbling, transforming raw texture into culinary art. Workers in protective white uniforms inspect the trimmed beef strips beneath glowing industrial floodlights, sorting and preparing the beef for marination. Massive conveyor systems transporting trimmed beef strips toward giant seasoning and marinade chambers inside the factory complex. The perfectly trimmed beef strips move through the futuristic preparation lines, their glossy textures reflecting the bright industrial lights above.
Giant industrial mixing tanks preparing secret jerky marinades inside a glowing food processing laboratory. Cinematic realism, dramatic orange-red lighting.
Slow-motion cinematic pour of dark soy sauce and rich spices cascading into giant marinade tanks beneath glowing industrial lights. Massive rotating mixing blades blending spices, sauces, and seasonings into rich beef jerky marinades inside a futuristic factory hall. Crushed black pepper, vibrant chili, and garlic powder, falling through the light, ready to transform any dish.
Rich glossy marinades swirling violently inside giant industrial flavor drums beneath glowing red-orange lights, cinematic realism, dramatic reflections, overhead perspective.
As the drums rotate, the perfectly prepared beef strips are transported toward the flavor infusion chambers. Endless rows of beef strips entering giant marination drums filled with rich, glossy sauces inside a glowing industrial chamber. Massive industrial marination drums rotating slowly while glossy beef strips tumble through rich, flavorful sauces.
As the camera glides closer, the quality of the marinade becomes clear. A perfect balance of sesame, pepper, and secret spices shimmering under the factory lights.
Heavy industrial flavor infusion systems massaging marinades deep into giant beef strips inside a futuristic processing hall. Slow motion reveals the rich texture of the marinade, dripping luxuriously as it journeys through the heart of the processing hall. Massive marination chambers filled with rotating beef drums beneath dramatic industrial spotlights inside the giant jerky factory. Perfectly marinated beef strips leaving the flavor infusion department through glowing industrial corridors toward giant drying conveyor systems. Endless conveyor drying lines transporting glossy marinated beef strips through giant heated factory tunnels beneath glowing orange industrial lights. Massive industrial airflow fans blasting controlly heat across marinated beef strips inside a futuristic drying hall. Within this chamber, the raw cuts are transformed. The heat intensifies, beginning the dehydration process that gives our jerky its unique texture.
Workers monitoring drying temperatures through giant digital heat control systems inside the futuristic jerky factory, adjusting airflow and heat settings while conveyor systems continue.
In this cinematic slow-motion reveal, we witness the moisture evaporating from the beef strips beneath powerful industrial heating systems, perfectly drying beef strips leaving the heated conveyor systems through glowing industrial corridors toward giant smoke chambers. Endless rows of beef strips entering gigantic smoke chambers beneath glowing industrial heat systems and floating wood smoke. Thick clouds of hickory smoke surrounding giant beef jerky racks inside a dark industrial smoking hall. Cinematic realism, dramatic firelight reflections. Beneath the glowing industrial lights, the smoke curls around the glossy beef, infusing every fiber with a deep, unforgettable smoky flavor. Massive wood-burning smoke systems operating beneath giant steel smoking tunnels inside the industrial jerky factory. Glowing embers,
slow-motion cinematic visuals of rich smoke wrapping around beef strips while glowing heat waves distort the chamber atmosphere. Dramatic orange-red lighting and atmospheric smoke effects.
Workers monitoring smoke intensity and heat levels through giant digital control systems inside the futuristic smoking department.
Levels are stable, initiating sequence. Perfectly smoked beef jerky leaving the giant smoke chambers through glowing industrial conveyor corridors beneath dramatic factory lights. Advanced industrial dehydration chambers removing final moisture from smoked beef jerky beneath glowing metallic heat systems. As the camera glides across the surfaces, the warm air currents ripple through the chamber, slowly transforming the texture until the beef is firm and chewy.
Consistency looks good on this one. Moisture seems consistent.
Confirmed. I'm noting the findings now. The last batch was borderline.
Endless conveyor systems transporting dehydrated beef jerky deeper into the processing complex as giant inspection systems activate ahead.
Perfectly dehydrated beef jerky strips illuminated beneath bright white industrial spotlights inside a futuristic food processing hall.
The moisture levels in batch 7 are high. Density readings conform the discrepancy, but the texture remains within spec. Under the bright lights, we examine the fibrous texture, ensuring each piece meets our rigorous standards for tenderness and gloss. Utilizing advanced atmospheric scanners, we meticulously analyze fiber structure and moisture content.
The portioning consistency is fluctuating slightly on the south end. Right. Adjusting the blade alignment now, that should stabilize the flow.
The journey begins as the perfectly seasoned beef hits the line, ready for the next stage. Arcturus Provisions. The future of flavor, crafted with timeless tradition. In this massive logistics hub, high-capacity forklifts transport endless stacks of beef jerky towards distribution. Massive warehouse shelves filled with thousands of boxed beef jerky products inside a glowing industrial storage facility. Camera glides slowly beneath the dramatic industrial spotlights. The conveyor systems transport the endless giant jerky shipments toward the loading docks.
This shipment data looks accurate. We're on track for the quota.
Agreed. The efficiency metrics confirm it. Let's push the authorization through.
Massive export trucks lined beside the glowing jerky factory, waiting for worldwide shipment beneath a dramatic sunset sky.
Global Jerky, feeding the world every day.